I'm gonna show you in this tutorial how to uninstall apps, programs on your MacBook. In this video, I'm gonna show you on MacBook Pro M3, but it is the same, but probably, I don't know, maybe it will help you if I mention somehow, I don't know. So what you have, I'm gonna show you guys two methods I'm using. Actually, the first method is the method I'm not using. The second method is the one I'm using to install apps. Now let's jump right into this video without wasting any second. So we can click on Finder here, this smiley face, very nice logo, very nice logo we have there, smiley face, so you're happy. All right, and here, if you go here to File, or actually Finder and Settings, here you should show items on your desktop, and if you want to see the external drive, the hard disk, and if you want you can see that on the desktop, but I like to be clear, and I just open Finder and then I go to applications here. If I want to install application, I can just right click on the app, oh, actually let's click on this one because I just need this for tutorial, right? So let's say I would like to install which app, because I don't want to install any app from here. Actually this one I'll install. All right, now I'll just right click and select move to bin, and I'll just click there. But the method I'm using is to actually use this app. I'm clicking on this one, app cleaner, and then I'll just grab and drag it onto this app, and it doesn't work because this app, I don't know it. Anyways, and I don't know which one is this. What's this? Okay, I'll try this one. Okay, and now guys, what I'm using this method instead of just because you can right click and just move to bin, and gonna have to enter your password, and then you click on enter, and yeah, it doesn't work like that. Or you can also just grab that app you want to and just drag it in your bin. All right, but as I said, the method I'm using, instead of dragging in the bin um instead of dragging in the bin like this, drag in the bin, I install this app. It's called the app cleaner, and then I drag it here because it's actually removes the files related to that app instead of just deleting the app. Sometimes delete the app will actually remain. You'll still have some files related to that app in your on your MacBook. So why just not deleting or removing all the apps files related to that file, related to that app, sorry. So click on remove, and that's it. That's basically what you have to do to search this app. You can search this app, find this app on Google. I actually looked for the website, so this is the website I use to download this app. Actually, this is the official website. Okay, I just click on download the last version, and yeah, it worked. I don't know if you can find it on the App Store. I don't think you can, but yeah, just download, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I hope you can have a fantastic day. Take care. Where is OBS?